Hello friends, welcome to our new tutorial. So today we'll explore Premiere Pro and how to edit a video clip easily and quickly. So I have a video clip here. I'll just show you. It's a Balotelli goal. As you see, there are three sections to it. One is zoomed out version. Then there is a zoom in version. And after that, there's another additional zoomed in version. And at the last, it's just basically he is walking around. So what I want to do is I want to crop these three or four separate sections. For that, what we can do is we can use quick one is using razor tool. So if I click on this and wherever if I move this playhead to, let's say, around this, so till here, so it ends here. So what I'll do is I'll just move this razor tool to close to this blue line and click on it. So now what we'll get is this is a separate clip and this is a separate clip. And if I don't want this, then what I can do is just select and delete. But what happens is you'll have to again move this back. So instead of doing that, what you can do is just select and press Shift and Delete button. So this will move the previous clip to the initial frame. Similarly, another way to do it is if you see this blue playhead when it goes to a particular, suppose here if you want to move it to, let's say it moves to this position. Many times what happens is when you use this razor tool, sometimes it clicks somewhere else. It doesn't click at the exact point. So you can take the help of this playhead, and for this now if you can press Control and K button, it will create cut at the exact position. So now if you again go back to this clip, you can see these two things are separate. Same thing, you can delete it or you can just shift delete and then everything comes on the start of the frame. Now another thing what we can do is, so we have deleted the initial part. Next thing, what if you'll see, there is still few frames left, which is like this. I don't want to see this also. So either you can go to this playhead and then delete that particular area, or there's another option. So to remove this additional small part, what I can do is just click on this ripple edit tool or just press B, which is shortcut for this, and then you can just drag this to a particular area where you want. So for example, I want it till here. So what happens is it will trim that particular area and this will start from the next frame. So this is how you can easily edit it, and in similar way you can do for the remaining clips. Let me show you the additional clip edit. So let's say if I go to this frame and here I want to do the other cut. So on the blade or the time marker, once it's ready, click on Control or press Control K. So now you have another clip. Similarly, I want to now have a cut somewhere here. All right, so so what happens is when you drag this blade or time indicator, many times it has few more frames or few more seconds ahead. So what you can do is you can just use your left and right arrow on the keyboard. Just see next frame, you'll see this. So from this, I don't want it from this frame, I want it from this frame. So here, press the Control K. So now again, if I want to edit in between, so what you can do is, if I want to edit this frame even further, same thing, we'll press this ripple edit and just drag it as per our convenience. And remaining clip still remains there. If you have used razor tool here, so for example, I'm editing it, I'm cutting this particular part. Once this goal, so this part is not at all visible. So suppose if I want to cut here, so I'll just use the razor tool, I'll cut this part. And if I delete this particular small section, what happens is, again, this will show us a blank space. So instead of rearranging everything, what you can do is, I'm doing Control Z and then just select this, press Shift key and delete button. And that's it. So this is how you can easily delete your clips, and without rearranging, you can adjust everything properly. So this is very basic tutorial for editing, cutting the scripts, and without making more adjustments, you can do a very good job with the video clip. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.